Captain. I don't know. Oh,
Wait.
we are correct.
Open ko din. Look behind you.
I don't want to.
There's a door.
Oh my god, you're scaring me. Yay. Oh, Lord. Lord, no. Wait, what?
You're gonna die.
Yeah,
That thing will kill you.
hi, Bay. Oh my god. Bye. Tene! God.
Stop.
We cannot. See, we don't have the key card.
Look. Look. Look.
What?
Now go behind.
You do it! Congratulations, you have made it to the Jumbo Joe's lounge. This is where Jumbo Joe's and his sibling come to rest. Uninvited guests are typically turned to mush, but you seem to have put a lot of effort into reaching this place. Hereby, you might stay as long as you like, put on some relaxing music, have some cake, and make some friends. I might die,